Hey you guys, what is up? It is Drew and we're back again with another video. Today we got some exciting news. We finally got the dirt bike street legal. So here we got Susie. Pretty much she is a 2006 CRF450X, and basically if you guys haven't seen my previous video, we installed this street legal kit, basically installing the turn signals, brake lights, some front mount turn signals, and I believe, oh yeah, the horn. And we didn't put on headlights because it already had one from the factory. However, we might be installing a bigger, brighter one. You know, I don't do that much night riding, but soon I will be, because if you guys didn't hear, this is finally street legal. We finally got the plates for it, and that was actually something that I was actually very worried about, because if you guys don't know, in Illinois it is a little hard to get a dirt bike street legal. Basically there's a law, I was doing some research on it. Basically they don't allow you to actually have a street legal dirt bike unless if it came from the factory street legal. Now, there was a little loophole that came with this rule, and when we got this dirt bike, basically, we got this dirt bike in Wisconsin, and in Wisconsin, they have a lot less restrictions on rules and everything like that when it comes to making bikes street legal. But pretty much, this bike was already street legal in Wisconsin. So when we, purchased it from a person, basically on the title and registration, it said basically, that it was okay for the street, so we tried, we finally got it street legal. In Illinois, like I said, restrictions are a lot more, they're not as open to it, but just because it did have that in the actual registration and everything like that, that it was already prior the street legal. However, it was in Wisconsin. We weren't completely sure, but I think that definitely did help. But finally installing the actual turn signals, horns, tail light, everything like that, brake light, basically just finally solidified it. So basically right now with this news, we're going to be installing the actual license plate to this dirt bike, and hopefully towards the spring, summer. Right now it's the winter, it's about to be February, so it's freaking cold outside. There are going to be some days that I'm going to take it out though, that's just me though. But we finally got it street legal, so let's install those plates. Okay, so I wasn't completely sure where I want to install the plates. Basically, we got this bracket that I'm gonna just have to, cut some or drill in some holes just like this, like how I installed this piece. But I'm wondering if I should install it down here, because I want the license plate to be right here. I was thinking having it right there, but that's not gonna work. It's covering the brake light and everything. I could add it right here, but I think that kind of just looks stupid. I think the best way would be to install it, underneath here. It's a little hard because it does come with the LED light, so I will try to wire it up. Maybe not in this video, but maybe later on I'll wire it up just to have a light to actually show the license plate in the dark. Like I said, I don't do that much night riding, but with this puppy I might be doing it more, so I'm definitely gonna need that light for the license plate. But I was thinking right here, or trying to put it back in here, but I just don't want, when you're going off of jumps and everything like that and the suspension compresses on the rear, I don't want it to actually hit the license plate. So that's why I'm leaning more towards here, but let's just see how it goes. Alright you guys, this is pretty much the whole setup when it came to the actual license plate. Just decided to install it right there. It does come with an LED light right there, but right now it's currently not wired up, but I just moved it out of the way, up and over. The wires don't seem to be long enough, so I'm probably gonna have to get some new wires or an extension, something to try to hook it up. But I mean, you honestly don't really need it unless if you're riding at nighttime, which I don't do that often, and if I do, I might as well just take the Harley. It's a lot more comfortable, but in the rare case that you'll get in trouble with that. But that's pretty much it, you guys. The Honda CRF450X is finally street legal. It's registered, everything. We got the license plate. Obviously has the turn signals, headlight, tail lights, horn. Pretty much got everything complete. All we need is just the street legal tires, and that's just gonna be pretty much just so it can actually grip on the pavement a lot better compared to obviously the nubbed dirt setup. But that's pretty much it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoy the content. Make sure you guys subscribe and make sure to stay posted for any future updates.